Hey, it's Dr. Rimka. I'm going to go over these 4 movements that help activate your brain and your entire body to help start your day off right. Ideally, if you can be barefoot outside in the grass under sun, that's how you want to do it. One, thinking caps. Yep, I am rubbing my ears. Take your fingers, just rub along the top, work your way all the way around. This is hitting the Chinese meridian points, activating your entire body and both hemispheres of your brain. You want to do it for about a good minute. So we do this one first. Moms, dads, kids, this is how you start the day, all right? Second movement we have is called a hookup. You're going to stand on the ground. If you need to be seated, that's okay. Ideally, standing is better because you're bringing in balance and activating your ear, your inner ear vestibular system. Put your hands out in front of you. You turn them upside down, wrap them over with each other, intertwine your hands. Then take your hands up through your arms and bring it to your chest. Fingers nice and tight and comfortable. Make sure the shoulders down and relaxed. Then cross over your feet. If you want to get into yoga and be trying to do all this wraparound stuff, that's fine, but just both feet on the ground is how I prefer it. Barefoot is best. And just relax and breathe. Put the tongue to the roof of your mouth. If you're having any trouble with balance, if you're struggling and almost gonna fall, click your tongue. Over and over. Have your kids do this. It helps activates ligaments in the neck that activate your inner ear, your vestibular system, as well as your vagal nerve. This lowers anxiety and brings the left and right hemispheres of the brain in balance. Now you'll just be doing this and having a good time. You won't be talking and teaching. Just hold the position. Breathe into it. Be present. See what you're feeling. Make it a game. Then, spend a few minutes here. Next movement is the cross crawl. Best is to stand, but if you had to do it seated or even lying down in a bed, you can do this that way as well if you're injured. Elbow to the opposite knee, okay? Don't do this. That's too fast. We want to go slow. So nice, controlled movement, cross lateral. We're activating both hemispheres of the brain and the spleen and kidney meridian points, eliminating fear and worry and waking up your brain. Complex body movements wake up your brain, make you smarter. Slower is better, so do some like that and then try to go, granny slow. See how hard that is? Who can go the slowest without falling? Make it a game. Whoa, okay. Keep doing that at least 10 to 20 times. Next movement is called the infinity or lazy 8, an 8 on its side. Take your finger, hold your hand out, and look at like a thumb. I'm looking at my thumb, and I'm gonna move it in a figure 8 on its side or an infinity, and I'm gonna track it with my eyes. But I am not moving my head, okay? Do this several times, more than you see me doing now. Then you reverse the direction. And my eyes follow my thumb, making an infinity. Use your other hand. Do the same thing. I'm not moving my head, just my eyes. Change direction. Trying to cross over in the middle in the exact same point. Both hands, same thing. And by doing those 4 motions in that way, I've made the left and right hemispheres of my brain connect and talk to each other. I've activated parts of my brain. I've activated my whole body. So I'm in a position of lowered fear, lowered worry, eliminated stress, and my brain is optimized to learn. That's all it takes. Do it when you wake up, Do it when you're stressed out. Do it before class. Do it when you're changing classes. Do it before every test or exam or when you're studying. See ya.